A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
Okay, here we go with our first reading lesson. There are 2 pages that I want you to take out. The first one looks like this. This is the book that it comes out of. You don't have this book, so I want you to get this page out. Okay? This page right here at the top, it says A is for apple. It's got a list of words on it. Okay, we're going to read those words together. And the second page I want you to get out looks like this. It's got your verse up here on the top, and it's got some words and some blank spaces here on the back. Okay. Why don't you get both of those out? Now, if you're looking, you'll see that you have the verse in English and in Spanish. You can do whichever one you want. I just gave it to you. I gave you a few more ones in English than I gave you in Spanish because English is going to be harder for you. But take your list of words out, and right at the top, you see it says A. A as in apple. All of the words that we're going to be reading in this list, they all say A. A says So what we're going to do is we're going to start here at the very top word and read all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. Okay? I'm only going to do the first row. Do the first row today. Okay? So I'm going to read them, and then you read them after me. Okay? Here we go. Pat. Tan. Map. Dad. Van. Sad. Sam. Map. Bag. Nap. Fan. Jam. Nat. Wag. Rap. Pam. Sag. Tap. Bat. Pass. Okay? All right, every week I'm going to read some of these words. Okay? Your job is going to be to read these by yourself. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Okay? You wait. You wait till I tell you to go, and then I'm going to say go. And when I do that, you have 30 seconds to read as many of these words as you can. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is be able to get to the point where you can read at least 30 of these words. That's one whole line and one half of the second line, okay? And every day, you should be getting a little better and doing a little bit more. All right, so take out your list, hold it up. All right, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to read as much of that as you can. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Stop. Okay. How many did you get? Oops, hang on. My timer is still going off here. Okay, there we go. How many did you get? I hope it was at least 30. You can count them how many you got. And then, like I said, every day you should be getting a little bit better. All right, now, take out this page and then turn it around where you have the numbers and nothing after them. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to read out some of the words you just read, and I want you to write them down. This is dictado. Okay. I will read it 3 times, and then on the 3rd time, I will have the word show up here on the bottom of the screen. Okay, so you know if you got it right. All right, look at the word that you wrote, and then look at the word on the screen and see if you got it right. Okay, we'll do that every day except on Friday. On Friday will be your dictado examen. Okay, on that time, on Fridays, I will read the word out 3 times, but I won't put it here on the screen. Okay, I will look at your paper and see if you got the answers right. Okay, so do you have something to write with? I hope so. So start at number 1. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. The first word is pat. 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 Number 2, tan. 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 Number 3, map. 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 Number 4, dad. 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 Number 5, van. 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 Remember, if I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause this video and write down, then reset and start it back up again. Here we go. Number 6, sad. 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 Number 7, Sam. 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 Number 8, map. 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 Number 9, bag. 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 And number 10, nap. 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 Okay. Check what I said against the words you got on the screen. Make sure you got them right. Okay. And then when you're done with that, you can see some words here, some letters and some words at the top. I want you to take your pencil. Don't use a pen. Don't use a pluma. Use a lápiz. Okay. That way, if something goes wrong, you can erase it. Okay. And then and then at the top you have the letter K, the letter Z, the letter X, and then the word kilt. What I want you to do there is take your lápiz and write down in those spaces those letters and words. Try to make them look as nice and neat as possible. Okay? And then when you're done, flip it over, and there's your versículo. There's your verse for this week. Do the same thing. Write it down as nice and neatly as you can. Okay? That's your classwork. Okay? It's not your homework. It's your classwork. Your homework, your tarea, is to take out your list of words and work on them for 10 minutes. Okay? For 10 minutos every day, 10 minutes, you read these words. Look at them and say them as well. Okay? That way they go in your eyes and your ears and your brain and your mouth. Okay? Look at them, read them, say them. Okay? All right. For 10 minutes. That's part of your homework. All right? Okay. And then when you're done with that, then that's it for your reading today. All right. Let's move on to the next thing.